Thirikari gukorwo muhari-ini wa mbere kuyukia ngari na bodaboda iria ihuthiraga hinya wa thitima riri thi yothe thiete na mbere na guteaneria uhuthiri wa ngari cia beturu na dithuru. Akiaria hindi ya kigomano kiria githaganitio ni kambuni ya utambia wa thitima Kenya Power, mwandiki mukaru ministry-ini ya MAAHINYA Alex WACHIRA oigite no ni njira ya kwehereria akenya guoya ati ngari na bodaboda ici citire na hinya muiganu na uhoti wa guikara kwa kahinda karaya.
Relatively constrained budget headroom, but yes, progressively even government is you are going to see more government vehicles that are using e-mobility. As of today, right now, we have seen Kenya Power has already acquired about 5 vehicles that are electric. KENGEN has about 4. So we'll see progressively as budget allows.
Kwa ihinda riri kuri na ngari 2,694 iria irahuthira hinya wa thitima na mbere ya batirite kuma 475 mwaka muhituku. WACHIRA akiuga ni cinyihitie ngarama kuri andu aria maracihuthira.
Mundu wa bodaboda uria urathikiriria kahinda gaka ugitumira nduthi yaku angikona iratumira thitima versus mundu uria nduthi yake iratumira beturu. We mundu wa thitima ura save 70% of the cost area mundu wa nduthi iria iratumira beturu iratumira.
The difference between a normal petrol driven or diesel driven vehicle is around this one is around 30% more expensive than a normal vehicle, but that when you compare it in terms of when a customer is operating it, he has a lot of service in terms of maintenance, in terms of savings on fuel and things like that.
Tiga kuhuthia ngarama, WACHIRA oigite uhuthiri wa ngari ici ni uguteithĩrĩria kuhukia kũra gwa hinya wa thitima makĩria ũtukũ rĩrĩa ũtahuthĩkaga.
Our country demand currently standing at 2,177 megawatts during the highest peak. However, and that peak happens between 6 p.m. and around 8 p.m. From 10 p.m. the power demand decreases to as low as 1,200, and sometimes you'll see it at 1,100. So what we are speaking into is this difference of about 800 megawatts, which we need to increase the uptake.
You are not having too high fluctuations, which cause the grid to destabilize, and that's why you find sometimes something like the national blackout. When the destabilization is to a large extent, then the grid collapses. So that is why having a preferential tariff, and especially a time of use tariff, is much better. So for people who are considering electric vehicles, this will be available at 8 shillings per megawatt hours rather than the usual 16 shillings per megawatt hours that is available at other times of the
muthia uhuthiri wa ngari ici ni kihonia kia uthukangia wa maria maturigiciirie ni ndogo iria irekagiririo ni ngari cia dithuru na beturu.
Athie muhari mwaka mugima ina tani kindu 40 ya carbon emission. Oguo twahota kuruta bathi imwe turaruta carbon emissions muigana wa 40,000 tons cia carbon iria bathi yo irahota go produce, and is the same with the motorcycles.
Undu ungi Kenya mathingatitwo ni kuhimbiria mithikiri kugacirithia ugima wa mwiri na kunyihia uhuthiri wa ngari.
We have about 76% of our population that have access to electricity through last mile. Two, this financial year alone we have about 42 billion Kenya shilling that we are using to increase last mile connectivity.
Kameme TV gikuhe horo gitau jeta gitau wa Wanjikũ.